I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of how to submit things in class. So this is our home page. Everything we've got here is in content. So if you click on content, it'll load. And then if you go down, there is in course information, there is a folder called weekly content, and we're in unit 4 right now, and you can tell that just by when that is happening. Week 14 is the week that's due right now. Okay, and this will show you like how much of this stuff you've interacted with here. And so it's got all the information, but on an assignment, so you can click on that assignment. I'll say assignment right here. And then it will give you the opportunity to hit upload, choose a file off your computer, and submit it as your assignment. And that way it all ends up where I can see it and give you feedback on it, okay? If you got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.